Welcome back to DisplayLink Updates. Today we're turning a mobile phone into a complete desktop replacement, connecting dual displays, a webcam, and we're playing video. In the office we've replicated this setup, but taken it a stage further. Here we have dual displays connected with a DisplayLink enabled docking station. We've modified a Pixel 4 with an AOSP Android build. But this level of functionality can easily be built in and integrated directly by mobile phone vendors into the platform itself for differentiation. One screen is Android, but the second runs a complete Windows session. Let's take a look at how this works. We've connected the phone with a USB-C cable to a DisplayLink docking station. Both displays light up right away. Add a keyboard, mouse, and your world of high productivity from your mobile phone begins. Satisfying the company's IT team and connecting to their systems is simple. We start an RDP session and run VDI, accessing a complete Windows client with applications, data, all via a server-based VM. With the power of new phones and the ultra-low latency of DisplayLink, it truly feels like a PC experience. We conducted a survey of the world's leading IT decision makers and learned that in the next 5 years, 75% saw a migration from notebooks and laptops to the mobile phone as the primary compute device. And 94% said they wanted to connect their users' docking stations and enable productivity for business to move forwards. But to take this to the next level, we really want this to be wireless. At DisplayLink we've already crossed this hurdle and can utilize new standards like Wi-Fi 6 to achieve all of this connectivity and remain connected whilst you take an incoming call. VDI and desktop as a service, we've got you covered. Multi-screen productivity for mixed Android and Windows environments, achieved. And of course wireless connectivity for the best user experience at the best price point. Subscribe to our channel and let us know how you'd like to work with us to make this happen. Our contact details are included in the description below. And get in touch and let's start a dialogue.